Food safety starts on the production line. One non-compliant component can put the entire line at risk. Why choose food-grade parts? They are built for hygiene, with zero dead angles and chemical-resistant design. They prevent contamination at the source, keeping oil and impurities away from your products. Certified to global standards, fully compliant worldwide. So, what role do these components play on the production line? Actuators convert air pressure into mechanical motion for conveying, positioning, and gripping. Control components receive electrical signals to direct airflow with precision. Air preparation units filter, regulate, and lubricate the air with food-grade oil when needed. Pneumatic accessories connect the system, ensuring tight seals and preventing contamination. Once installed, material selection depends on the application zone. Direct contact or splash zone? This determines which material you should choose. For different zones, VPC provides tailored solutions: direct contact, full stainless steel for maximum safety; splash or packaging areas, composite materials for cost-effective reliability. Good equipment needs proper maintenance. Choose the right parts, use them correctly, stay efficient and safe. Follow VPC for the right food-grade solutions. Looking for precision and performance? Explore more with VPC.